Powdery mildew of pea. Powdery mildew disease is distributed throughout the world. The disease appears in the epidemic form in every year when the plants are in pod stage toward the end of January and February. Symptoms: small irregular powdery spot appear on the upper surface of leaves. When plants are in the flowering and pod stage during January and February, the powdery whitish spot completely cover the leaves, petioles, stem, and even the pods. Plant appear grayish white appearance and leaves turn yellow. Yield may be greatly reduced. Causal organism Erysipelas polygony. The mycelium consists of delicate and persistent hyphae which are attached to the leaves by aprisoria. Hyphae penetrate the epidermis and swell. Conidiophore arise vertically from the leaf surface. Conidia usually form single, rarely in chain. Cleistothecia appear as sharp, black, scattered on the surface of white mycelium. Appendages vary variable in number and length. Survival. Fungus is obligate parasite, so fungus survive through Cleistothecia in the soil. They are soil and seed borne. Dispersal. Seed, soil, and air. Epidemiology. The pathogen survives in an affected seed and other weed host. The disease is spread in warm and dry weather. It is assumed epidemic proportion on pea, especially when lower temperature less than 23 degrees centigrade and relative humidity 40 to 70% prevail even for short periods. Control. Field sanitation and disease plant refuse should be collected and burned in the field. Early maturing varieties should be used. Dusting with sulfur at the rate of 25 to 30 kg per hectare. 0.10% carathane can be used for spray. Seed treatment with organosynthetic fungicide should be used. Example, Capton and Serenox. Resistant variety T10, P185, P388, P6583. These are the several control measures used for the management of powdery mildew of pea.